So hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now you saw the unboxing and the initial raw beauty, but what happens when water meets these stunning yummy hair extensions, raw Burma bundles? If you felt a mix of curiosity and maybe a little anxiety about caring for raw hair, you're not alone, so did I. So get ready to see this transformation unfold to a rhythm that lets the process speak for itself. You're going to see how it responds to water and product and how it's going to truly behave. Now, full disclosure here and transparency, I did encounter an unexpected issue with two of my bundles during this washing and conditioning. Now, despite that, I was still able to create this gorgeous wig right here. Now, I've already reached out to a Yummy Hair representative and they are actively working with me to resolve that issue. But now, while I hadn't planned on it, this experience is going to warrant a part 3 video dedicated to discussing the issue, the resolution, and the outcome, especially for anyone considering such a high-ticket purchase. But first, I need you to closely watch because the journey that created this beautiful custom hair starts right here. Keep your notifications on so that you can see how this issue of my Renegade hair bundles were actually resolved. Thank you for watching, and let's get started.
figure out that you knew exactly Have to put in